Analog clock is a widget that displays time using hour, minute, and second hands, while digital clock shows time in numeric format. Click on the analog clock in the toolbar. First, add one image each for the background and center icon. The center icon is an image, for example a dot, placed at the center of an analog clock widget. Next, set the length, short end, width, and color of the hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. Add 3 digital clock widgets to display the time, year, month, day, and day of the week respectively. Click on the digital clock in the toolbar. First icon is the image for 0. And last icon is the image for left slash. Display format sets how time is shown, with options like year, month, day, and week. We set time for the first digital clock and date for the second digital clock. For the third one, we set week. So the first icon should be 0 and last icon should be Saturday. Create 2 new pages for the pop-up windows. Add page image for both pages. For the set date page, add 3 slide menus to allow date setting through sliding. Add images for the foreground and background and set the values of W, H, L1, and L2 based on the dimensions of the foreground and background images and the line spacing of their content. For detailed methods, please refer to the UI Editor user manual. Next, modify the write address. Use the fixed write address in the registers for year, month, and day to ensure that changes made by users through the slide menus are successfully saved. The first slide menu is for month, so its write address should be 0x7003. The second is for date, with a write address of 0x7004. And the third is for year, with a write address of 0x7002. In the direction parameter, select vertical loop for all. Set the min value and max value parameters. For the first slide menu, month, set it to 1 to 12, with any default value and an adjustment step of 1. The second slide menu is for date, with a maximum of 31 days in a month, so set it to 1 to 31. Other parameters are the same as the first. The third slide menu is for year. If the range is from 2018 to 2029, set min value to 18 and max value to 29. Finally, add a multi-variable button widget to navigate back to the digital clock page and save the changes. In Page Go To, select the target page 21. In Write Address 0, enter register 0x7008, which is used to confirm time settings, for example, year, month, day, hour, minute, second, by writing specific values. Navigate to the Set Time page and add 3 slide menus, a page image, and foreground and background images using the same method. The first slide menu is for hour, with a write address of 0x7005. Since a day has 24 hours, set min value to 0 and max value to 23, with an adjustment step of 1. The second slide menu is for minute, with a write address of 0x7006. Since an hour has 60 minutes, set min value to 0 and max value to 59, with an adjustment step of 1. The third slide menu is for second, with a write address of 0x7007. Since a minute has 60 seconds, set min value to 0 and max value to 59, with an adjustment step of 1. Finally, add a multivariable button in the same way. Return to the digital clock page and add a pop-up box widget above both the time and date. Select the target pages for navigation and adjust their positions. This completes all the settings. Let's build the project under the File menu. Run Emulator to take a look at the demo effect. Observe the effect in our HMI display.